finally purchased my Ring Wi-Fi enabled video doorbell. I've been hearing a lot about these things, and my niece had one, so she showed me how it worked, and I really liked it. So this is straight out of the box, what I ordered from Amazon. It was like $99, and you can get this in the description below on my website. And you probably heard the story about the guy. He was on Shark Tank, and all of them turned him down, and he just sold to Amazon for $1 billion here in February 2018. Like I said, if you would like to purchase this, you can look in my description below, or you can visit my website. And it's pretty simple. It doesn't come with a lot of different wiring and stuff because it's Wi-Fi, but it has this instruction booklet. But you really want to look in it and make sure you read the part about the diode and the voltage, the AC voltage that you need. You can see it comes with screwdrivers and connectors and everything. And this right here, once you download the Ring app, you want to scan this code in so it can recognize your door lock or your door camera. As you can see, this is straight out the package. And this slides right off. I also have a connector for you to recharge your battery. And I'm gonna put this back on. We're gonna pull the rest of the stuff out so you can see what's in this box. In this little blue box right here, you're gonna have some connectors, screws, screwdriver, diode. You're gonna also have your USB charger to charge your battery. So you got a little level here also. That's your USB charger for your battery. You got your drill bit. You got your screwdriver. You have the dial, and the dial is only used if you have a digital doorbell. And you have your connectors for mounting it on the wall outside. I wish they would have gave us a drill with this. That'll be nice. So I'm gonna zoom in and just show you what's in the box. So like I said, you want to check your voltage. It needs to be between 8 and 24 AC volts. Mine's 19.4 volts. And it says DC transformers and most intercoms are not supported. So that's the information you probably need to know. So you can just charge it like this. Once it's charged, they said it works for about a year. And you just mount it here on the outside. And it's pretty simple. And it doesn't matter which way you put the wires. And you off to business. And if you would like to purchase this product, look in my description below or visit my website. Thank you and have a great day.